All right, we have a top competitor here. It is number 20, Jackson Storm. Jackson certainly has the speed, power, and aerodynamics. Let's see what he does. Whoa, a huge jump by Jackson Storm. That one's got to put him in the lead. Look at this replay. Absolutely a massive amount of height and distance. His landing was slightly off, but he kept his balance. That's got to be a big jump here. Yes, it is. 37. Wow. That's going to put Jackson Storm way ahead of the competition. I don't know if anyone's going to be able to beat that. And now it's finally time for Lightning McQueen, but he's still a no-show. So the officials are going to have to disqualify Lightning McQueen. Wait a minute. What's Mater doing down there? Is he trying to enter the competition? It appears they're going to let him because he's wearing the number 95. Just like in the Piston Cup, the rules don't say who has to wear the number, so here goes Mater. I'm not sure if this is a good idea. You don't realize how high that jump is until you get to the top, and Mater's realizing that right now. Whoa, a wobble on the start. Oh no! Mater tumbles down the hill, which means that jump will not count, although he didn't get very far anyways. There goes Mater's friends rushing to his rescue, and it looks as if he's okay. You can see him wobble on the start. He also started too low on the ramp. He looks pretty good there, but hits the top of the hill and then completely flipped over 1, 2, 3 times. Almost 4. You know, if there were points for rolling, Mater would be in the lead. Wait, something is going on. I think Mater might be dropping out of the competition. Wait a minute, who's that? Okay, where's Mater going now? Mater is now talking to paint artist Ramon. And where are those two going now? Well, let's get back to the competition. We have Raul Sarul going for his second jump. Let's see if he can improve on the first one. Oh yeah, that was big. Raul really getting some height there on that jump. After that huge jump by Jackson Storm, these cars really have to push it to try to beat him. I'm not quite sure if that's going to be enough for Raul to move into first. Let's see just how far he jumped. And it will be an improvement for Raul. He gets a 35. That's going to move him into second place right behind Jackson Storm. Now it is Shu Todoroki's turn to try to get a bigger jump than Raul and Jackson Storm. A fast start down the jump. Gets a little sideways in the air, but was able to land it. And we're going to have to wait and see exactly how far he jumped. Here is the replay. You can see him start to rotate to the left. Not the best form in the air, but it did look like he got pretty far. Let's see exactly what his distance was. And Shu Todoroki comes up short with a 33, right behind Raul Sarul. That's going to leave him in third place. Now it's time for our current leader, Jackson Storm. After that first jump, I can't wait to see what he does right here. He's off. Whoa, another big jump by Jackson Storm. He really came to the Winter Games to win. He had great speed coming off the jump. Look at how level he keeps himself in the air. And that was a near perfect landing, all 4 tires hitting at the same time. Another amazing performance by Jackson Storm. And that's going to be a shorter jump than the first one. So Jackson Storm will stay with his first score of 37. And finally, now it is time for... Wait a minute, is that... No, it can't be. It is! It's Mater the Greater! I thought Mater being Mater the Greater was just a tall tale, but he's actually here and he's gonna do the jump. Mater is wearing the number 95 as he's filling in for Lightning McQueen in this competition. Come on, Mater, you can do it. Do it for number 95. Do it for Lightning McQueen! Does it! He sticks the landing! That jump was absolutely out of this world! Now we still have to wait for the official score. Here it is. Was that jump enough to win? Yes! Mater wins! And he sets a new snow jump record with a